Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chilekwa, and welcome to Zambia Airways. We're about to take our first flight from Lusaka through Ndola to Kasama today. Our flights here at Zambia Airways start from Lusaka, connecting through Ndola, Livingstone, Kasama, Solwezi, and Imfua. Come with me as we take our first flight to Kasama today. Come along. When you come through to our airline, all you need is an identification card, NRC, driver's license, or passport. You'll be checked in at our counters and be ready to board. Welcome to Zambia Airways, the wings of Africa. Welcome aboard our first flight to Kasama. We're now cruising altitude, heading straight to Northern Province. My name is Chilekwa, and we at Zambia Airways are looking forward to having you on our flight the 1st of April. Thank you, and see you soon.